So now let's see how we can utilize the Scraperboard effect inside of Corel Draw. So in order to go ahead and utilize the Scraperboard effect, you need to go around over here onto the File menu and then go to Import right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you need to go ahead and import out a picture that you want to apply the Scraperboard effect to. Let's say, for example, I'm simply going to go ahead and bring in this particular image right here. So once I go ahead and do that, I can simply go around under effects right here. And then if I were to go around under art strokes, you can see that Scraperboard is an effect. And once you go ahead and do that, you can see that you get this Scraperboard effect right here, just like this, with a bit of stripes right here. You can go around over here, change around the density. As you can see, you can decrease it and make it thinner, or increase this and make it thicker right here. You can also go ahead and change around the size of the Scraperboard, as you can see right here. Then you can decrease out the size and then increase out the size as well. Apart from that, you can also go around and make it color or white, as you can see just like this as well. And this is how you can go ahead and work around with the Scraperboard effect inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.